over here where I had mentioned that I put the rocks all along here, I'm recycling rocks. You know, I would prefer the red ones like I have in the front to blend in with this, but this is in order to keep it away from staining my vinyl fence, because I noticed some red spots when I first put this stuff down. So I went around and put the rocks all the way around the edge and then put the mulch in front of it. It's coming along. This here, that's another story. Once that thing is up over there, that pad, then the next thing is try to assemble that little shed so we can clean this clean this mess out over here. But the way this weather is, I'm gonna have to put the shed piece by piece. It's gonna take two of us naturally, but I'll probably put my little tent up, you know, to keep the sun off of me, and just do a little bit of time. They say it usually takes about 2 hours, but 2 hours out here in this heat is not going to work. All right. I was so tired that I started putting the mulch on top of the sand. I don't know if that's good or not. I have a fabric liner underneath the sand. So anyway, I just hope that's okay. Don't try that, people. That was a mistake, but I was not about to take it up. Just smooth it out. Now I did have the rocks along the fence because, like I said, I don't want that mulch dyeing my vinyl fence with that red, red dye on it. But yeah, I really did not mean to do that, so that's another thing. Also, the stones are not perfect. The paver trim should be a little below the tiles, which seems to be okay. It looks right at the front and the side, but in the back area of the fence, it's a little high. doing. I just poured the sand all over the stones. I should have just started one area and then worked my way out, you know, which is okay. But I mean, yeah, I should have just basically start on one corner, brush that into the cracks, and then work my way on out. But yeah, it's my first time. You live and you learn. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. You do it the way you want to do it, but when I think about it now, I should have actually, yeah. And as you can see here, I'm trying to brush it into the grooves. Basically a different, well, similar to actually, like if you did tile, you're grouting the tile, that's what the sand does. It goes into the cracks, and then when you wet it, it seals up everything. So the stones will be locked in tight. Now that I have pretty much gotten the sand into the grooves, I'm going to sweep off the excess as much as possible without interrupting the grout lines. Here it is, done. Rocks around the edges over there, mulch over here. That's another project for another time. I've already rinsed this down. The polymer sand is in it. I'll probably do it again, but for now, this is it. It's sudsy right now, dry. I don't care because a shed is going on top of this. It's not like it's going to be my patio. So, yeah. She's tired. And then, of course, I'll trim all around here. Like I say, it's a lot to do. And a lot of work. Here you can see it's drying. It still has some of that sand on it because I didn't sweep it off completely. This yard, I don't know. I think that may be, in fact, I know that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some of the red rocks like I have in the front yard. I'll have to get them to deliver maybe a couple of scoops. I know it's going to cost me at least about maybe $600 in stone to do this. But the problem is that's just the stone. Then it has to be brought back here in the back and spread out across the yard. Let me tell you, I just finished doing that patio paver, shed paver thing back there in the backyard. I started, when did I start? Last week? Took a couple of days off this week, but I decided I was going to finish it by Friday, and I did. My hair, I got to go do something with this. The sweating, and I swore I wasn't going to wash it until I was done. But anyway, I got that done. Like I said, I was going to try to get somebody to do it, but they wasn't coming out here for no less than $2,500. So, it's okay. I'm going to do it myself. Save myself some money. All I did was buy the material, which you have to calculate what that came up to. And of course now it's installing the shed, which summertime, a metal shed, no big hurry. Maybe I'll wait. I don't know. We'll see. I'm too old for this. But I consider it my exercise, so it's done. Thank goodness. I need a long break. I'm gonna sleep for a week after this. And this hair, I swear I want to go somewhere and have it professionally colored, but I don't know of any places out here that would do that, you know, for my kind of hair. they do braids and stuff like that, but I don't know, I have to really look into it, otherwise I have to just go to LA. Because I mean, I could do it, but you know, like I normally do, but you see, this will be like this color, and then this will be like this color. So when this grows out, we got this, this, and this. So I don't know. I was gonna say dye it all gray, but now I don't think I'm ready for that just yet. It's gonna happen eventually. I don't want to rush it. Yeah, so anyway, I'll see you all later. I'm getting ready to hit the showers. But thank goodness it's done. As for the rest of that backyard, I don't know. It's going to take a while. All right. Look at all these pieces. Tons and tons of parts to put this thing together. I got tarp in my backyard, tent up. It's hot out here, but I'm determined. Notification bell, so you'll know when I upload another video. As you can see, I've already started. See you on the next one. Bye.